Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about Monopoly Go Jailbreak. Here with this Monopoly Go application, there's actually one of the options or one of the boxes here on the board, wherein if you land one of the board here at the lower right corner or at the right corner here, you'll actually be going to jail like this. So in order for you to be able to get out, it's either you will need to pay the fine or you need to roll a dice that shows two similar or two identical numbers. So you have three tries to roll the dice, and you need to make sure that you will be able to get two identical numbers. It's either 116633 for as long as it's identical. So for example, like this one, on the third try that I have, I got six doubles. So that means I will be able to get out without paying the fine, and I will be able to gain dice as well. Six dices for being able to get out of the jail with getting two dices that are identical. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to break the jail here with Monopoly Go. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.